Sumila Ronghangpi, Guwahati High Court gives 2 weeks time to file charge sheet. Good morning and welcome to Karbin Anglong Live Morning News. You're watching with your host Julie Baby with the latest news for today. Now the news in details. After 1 month of the alleged rape and murder of the 12-year-old Sumila Ronghangpi at Raha, Nagaon, the Guwahati High Court had on Wednesday give 1 week deadline for the police to charge sheet against the accused father-son duo. Making a strong statement on the case, the High Court had directed the government of Assam to bring a proper report within 2 weeks and directed the police to file charge sheets against the accused arrested in the case. Within this time period, the police will have to submit the report on the progress of the investigation on the case since the incident took place on April 22nd, and after the consequent arrest of Prakash Chandra Borthakur and his son Nayanjoti Borthakur. There has been huge uproar and demand for capital punishment to the two accused. Even though there were not so much discussions on the issue in the state and national media, the incident grabbed both national and international attention. Organizations and human rights groups have strongly condemned the heinous killing of Sumila and demanded the heaviest punishment for such crime. Talking to reporters, DSP headquarter Anita Hazarika, who is also the investigating officer for the case, informed that as per the order of the High Court, the inquiry process from the Raha police station has already been on track. Half of the investigation has been completed, but there are still few tasks to be accomplished, only after which she will file charge sheet before the court. Earlier, according to Raha police, the initial postmortem report stated that the innocent girl was not pregnant when she was murdered. However, the police did not clarify on the rape charges against the accused. DSP Anita Hazarika also informed that the postmortem report was not sufficient and she is waiting for the forensic report. But she did not clarify when the report will arrive. On the other hand, the DSP had also written a letter to the Nagaon Deputy Commissioner and appeal for compensation to the victim's family. NewsDesk report, Karbin Anglong Live. At a time when the whole nation is facing crisis in the health sector due to the pandemic COVID-19, the appalling situation of health service in the Amri region of West Karbi Anglong had come as a big surprise and issue of great concern. The Umpanai Block Public Health Center, which has completed 62 years of existence, is still running without ambulance facility and is functioning with only 1 doctor and staff, which is utterly inadequate. There are 4 primary health centers in West Karbi Anglong which are functioning are Dongkamakam, Phelangpi, Vothalangsu and Umpanai. And the Umpanai Block PHC covers 3 MSC constituencies, Dwar Amla, Amri and Jinthong. However, the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council had not yet provided any ambulance to Umpanai PHC. The 1 ambulance in the PHC is the old broken down ambulance brought from Keroni PHC and is not functional anymore. This has created immense problem for carrying patients to and fro from the PHC. Local public alleged that the ambulance section for Umpanai PHC was diverted to Hawang Sub-Center on interference of some local leaders. After this issue came to light, local public have raised questions to the authority. Locals are demanding the answers as to how bigger health facility which covers more areas and blocks was deprived of ambulance and the reasons as to how sub-center was given first priority. Locals pointed out that the ambulance should have been first provided to Umpanai rather than in a sub-center at Hawang. The lack of ambulance has become a massive problem for both the locals and the health officer. There is no provision of transportation for field visits, carry medical equipment to conduct health camps, or to bring patients to the health center. Locals have blamed the interference of local politicians for the present numerous problems plaguing the health center. Earlier, eminent social worker from Amri Imlang Lungpui had visited Umpanai Block PHC to assess the present facilities and situation of the health center. After having talks with the staff, he assured all possible help from his side. On the other hand, there is only 1 doctor posted in Umpanai Block PHC. He alone is performing his duty of providing medical services to the people, and also the management of the health center has also been put on shoulder. This has only multiplied the workload for the lone doctor. At this time of health crisis, the lone doctor is burdened with the task of treating patients in the PHC and also supervising the movement of people in the inter-district and interstate checkposts to ensure that COVID protocols are not violated. Locals have said that posting just one health officer for such a vast area is not less than harassment. Several conscious citizens of the area have vehemently urged upon the KAAC to take measures to improve the health facility in the Ambri area by appointing more doctors and nurses in the health centers. Himari Ronghar's report from Olukunchi for Karbi Anglong Live. The picture of lack of development inside Dwaramla constituency is slowly emerging as more and more people have expressed their immense dismay over lack of attention given to the constituency, despite people voting the present party, believing that they would bring change in their lives. Lives of inhabitants of more than 9 villages under the Dwaramla constituency have been hit by lack of roads in their area. It has affected all spheres of their lives and development. There are more than 9 villages in Inghan Abi area which falls under Vothat Langso. People of the area, and especially women and children, are the hardest hit by the bad roads on a daily basis as they have to go out for work and other purposes. People of this 9 villages have to come to Vothat Langso for all purposes and needs, and the only road that connects with their village is appalling and extremely deplorable condition. The road becomes worse during monsoon season as the road becomes more slippery, muddy and huge potholes are formed, giving nightmares to passengers and commuters.
Rong sir kep do la rong sir kep rong ara tum ka chileng atwar ke lai krong wat la pen bang so atwar pen si medical punon la pen school punon la pen la ka du ka bi kenak sor hormon bustami bai thalang su buzar pen ka chileng atwar ke lai krong lo bustami la bang so tuwa thing no pik pana jok la ta ka rong ara tum si aning du ka paklang don la pini kar bingong la ka thing no long je ala tum gari motor ka chileng on pen ke dang lok lu ka charli somar tum chileng ki sung pen dang lok la pen
Sarkiri Ingti, who drives auto rickshaw for livelihood, told Karbi Anglong Live that this is the only road for more than 9 villages located in Inghan Abi area. He informed that villagers have approached local MEC Prabhat Chandra Taro and apprised him of their problems, but so far they have not seen any response from the KAAC or the PWD.
Anara tum sika chelan lo
ladak ke rong tharve bi rong phodo rong phelang ke rong tumeng inghin kharpinda
rong phodo
rong harvi bi si rong pho lai tua thak dot la si rong phelang rong sok rong tumeng rong sok si inghin rong narkep kharpinda rong sirke parok rong dola
la pana rong ara tum sinon bang so to cheleng bom lo hithi bazar ka na tum kunna la
dak boithlang so taun nong mar lo
charli somar tum ka kunna la
boithlang so mat dado pen dhok tum dongka ke dam tum tado
ang se chelang dem bang ka kunna la
boithlang so
mata ka cheleng atwar ka lai krong lo ma
lai krong lo akong ka pek avilo
ana jak tinglang patak
dak pen ke ni tum dang inghin long pen mangai kilometer ke thomber lo tame ku aber pen mangai trok si bak dokok ta hai
tang la bang so to war non la punali ke dam jina chon tam la song sai de lo ma
la mane kilometer hini dang ke teli no pinan ha ku apian mangai akimi do tame katia dat pen lang kang lo mamat hasuyuta do lo ka hino
thanga do lo di.
The auto driver further stated that the people of the Inghan Abi area do not have any alternative but continue enduring this pain and hardships as they cannot also stop going to school, health centers and marketing. He stated that the condition of the road across the river is very good but their situation is entirely different.
Nali tum non kupisi puji ning hang la bang so toar pu thaka nali tum
mane ni tum siam sar khanda kitini reng tum mana pula nali tum news Karbi Anglong Live atum ke bang ni lin choro la nali tum hin me anso se siam sar tulira mo hang sar ta pachini glena kini ri thot ko ni hin ba kardom Prabjin pen sai na paklem toy phasi ni lita chini ri lo ni ka themani tum sung pit non barikha por ke cham kiche becheng lang ta inung vera dim tasi prabjin pen alangli ta ni tumhan nanglang te kusi chungri
People of the area have urged upon the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council led by CEM Tuliram Ronghang to take up their issues and initiate early action to end their decades-long problems of road. Driver Ingti stated that sufferings of the people would end and would also improve their social and economic condition of all people if road is constructed for the people.
nili tum ke kisung thek tiklo nanda MDC sar purwataru bana tum chining di bom lo anda thang a decision ta na pitek thi
nang dum si komane bang so dat putel bang so twar lama chelat ke poni
la ni tum kisung ke boy ke pochat ta satwa lo
atwar bang ningkan kan bagol so twar na
la so ning kan ke nilita an ning ave tame SDC moment husi ka tiar la so twar repairing tanang lelilang thangdang lelilang karharan ta phokwa iglap lo
Wiki-based report from Dongkamokam for Karbi Anglong Live. With the aim of extending its effort towards creating more urgency towards curbing the spread of the coronavirus into the area, the Mahamaya Village Development Committee organized an awareness program in the town. During the day, the Mahamaya Village Development Committee distributed marks among the public and stick posters concerning the virus, symptoms and information to prevent its outbreak by complying with the guidelines issued by the Health Department. Posters were hung in Dongmoka UCO Bank, Assam Gramin Vikas Bank, Post Office, lamps and other crowded areas of the area.
Tangte pini nilitum Mahamaya Komusti nilitum VDC tim hoi lapen ladak kacirap mundol kejon akumuti pen pasti labangso nitum isi awareness program labang si pini ke tengpon labang so awareness program ke lapuhen no je nilitum postering si kuri je Mahamaya jitu Dongmoka pen cenglok mi asai hem non pini non ladabang ke dengong lems along lo la sila son munit ke daring along si nilitum mabang ke la so postering kuri lo keciri thegi pan lapen beng along la puson postering kuri lo Dongmoka town community office along post office la pente munit ki cinglum bojar alom la puson se nilitum postering kuri lo si nili pini la bangso ke rada pan ke pachini kang tung ilitum la bangso COVID-19 corona kiso ilitum cingrai nangji pulutang te ilitum arona teng pen jongsi mani pulutang te ilitum labang so kisu cipajo kunpo lasi Mahamaya arat lapente Karbi Anglong arat katu kawai pantami nilihin benda tuning di lo je arona teng pen kido kithak cire nang po ano pulote labang so kisu ilitum cipajo.
The program was led by Mahamaya VDC Chairman Rajesh Teron and was assisted by VDC members PB Sonkro, Rajan Ingti and Tilak Bordoloy among others. Samsung Ingti's report from Dongmoka for Karbi Anglong Live. Well, that is all we have it is for this morning. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live. Have a good day.